Hey everyone, how are you? I'm gonna be doing a quick get ready with me, nothing crazy. I got my nails done. They're so pretty. I did wear a mask in her house, so don't think I didn't. I just put gel and hairspray in my hair. Yeah, and I got a little blemish here. Before I get into this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a new video, and comment down below something, I don't know. Here I used the Got2b Ultra Glued, and I also used this hairspray. I haven't done my hair like this since I was probably like 15, but I am about to use this lip mask. The girl that did my eyelashes gave me this, and she also gave me these under eye gel pads. Ooh, I like this. Let's see. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with some foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass foundation stick. This is in the shade Nude. I'm not using primer because I just don't care today. So 1, 2. So if you want to look natural, this is a good foundation if you want to look natural. God, I need Botox. Do you see these lines? Whoop, whoop. Yeah, this is a very natural foundation stick. It's like medium, sheer to medium coverage. You can always build it up by, after you put one layer on, you can put another layer on. I didn't wet this, so I'm just going to spray it with this little soothing facial mist from Garnier Skin Active. You can find this at any drugstore. I'm just going to spray. And then once it's nice and damp, sometimes I use a brush, but today, beauty blender. And you're pouncing it on your face, you're not swiping it. There's a big difference. I'm not, ooh, did I get on my lash? No, okay. And with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, the shade Light Medium. I think that's like everyone's shade. So I'm just gonna put some there, and this will cover up your dark circles. I'm not putting a lot. It looks like a lot, but again, I'm gonna wet this. I am out of my Morphe setting spray. That's what I usually spray with, but this does the job. And I start from the bottom and I work my way up. Now once you're done with that, the key to your face is setting your makeup. You have to set your foundation and your concealer, or just foundation, because it will come off of your skin. So make sure you set it. It's in the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. This is a miracle. Like, this is everything I've ever dreamed of. This is a micro, why can't I talk? This is a micro, a micro milled powder by Charlotte Tilbury. This is my second one. The other one's finished. $45. Yes, it's expensive, but it's worth it. And it's worth it because it makes your skin flawless, literally. And I will show you. This is what I do. I take my beauty blender, go like this. You see that? And then you're going to go right under your eye, and you will see the difference from this side to this side in a minute. I'm gonna do the forehead. As you see the difference, so this is set and this is not set, and this works different with excuse me, with different foundations. But yeah, I love this powder. It makes everything flawless. Okay, again, going right under the eye. set here around my nose. Wherever you get oily, you want to set it a lot because my makeup comes off here, my nose, and you don't. So make sure you go extra around your nostrils. Anastasia Pomade Brow. And it look like this. I use it a lot. This is in the shade Chocolate. I'm from New York, so I say chocolate. Okay. So you're gonna use this brush. Get this brush. This brush is very good. This is the Anastasia number 12 brush. It comes with a spoolie. So you can do this. It looks like this. Do you see how thin it is? Yes, you want to use a thin brush opposed to that because that is thick. So when you draw, you will get a thick brow, and you don't want a thick brow. You want a realistic looking brow. Some of these, I take the brush, take some of it this. Now I'm going to wipe all this extra stuff on the back of my hand because you don't want to go in heavy-handed because then you're gonna have problems, trust me. You can always add, you cannot take it away. You're not going to start here, you're going to start right here. Don't mind my brows. So you're going to take the brush and you're going to lightly draw the line the way your brow is shaped. And if you make a mistake, it's okay, you can always clean it up with concealer. And then I'm going to do the top same way, not starting from here. There we go. So light strokes. Then, when you need more product, just use it on the back of your hand. Don't dip back in. Okay, I'm gonna fill this in. You're gonna fill the middle in like that, okay? Now we're gonna do the tail. Now this can be the darkest part right here. And you're just gonna draw the darkest part right there. Just like that. And I'm just using the camera, guys. I'm not even using the mirror. Then I take my spoolie. You're gonna comb up like that. Then you're going to turn the brush vertically like this, and now you're going to start doing small strokes lightly. And then I make a little line right there. Take your spoolie, and you're going to, when you do this, you're combing the product. There you go. Okay, you have to have patience with the brows. That's okay. So if you do that, you can take the spoolie and erase it. See? It's gone. You can even hold it like this. Oh God. I'm having a bad brow day, guys. The shape. Now towards here, I'm putting some pressure. It's okay if you go out, you can clean it up with concealer, guys. Do not stress about that. Please. I make the slightest line right here. And then I'm gonna comb this up. See how the product disperses everywhere? I'm going to take concealer now. I'm going to take that thick brush that I said not to use for your brows. I'm going to take the tip of the concealer. Like that much. And you can also wipe that on the back of your hand if you have too much like I just did. And we're going to clean up the brows. I'm going to do this. Do you see how thick this brush is? Yeah. You just want to follow the line to give you that sharp look, like your brows are perfect. So I'm going to go right here. I just put too much, but that's okay. Some there. And just follow the line. Let me see. Okay. Brows take me like a good 10 minutes, if not more. I'm going to take that beauty blender and now I'm going to blend this all out. I'm going to set it with the MAC brow set, and it's clear. I think it's like $20. Trust me, you want to set your brows because they will not move all day. This is a game changer. You won't even have to reapply anything either. So I'm gonna go in with my Kevyn Aucon bronzer. Just gonna go in with a little bit, tap off the excess. I'm using a Morphe R2 brush. Looks like this. I'm just going to bronze up the face. If you have a big forehead, you can go in. I don't have a big forehead, I just like to put bronzer. Never forget to put it on the neck. I'm using the MAC concealer. I'm sorry, MAC concealer, guys. Yes, here we go. I'm using the MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. It's like a red, like a mauve red. I like mauve shades. Then I'm going to use the Smashbox. I love Smashbox Lippies. It's matte. I'm not sure what shade this is. Always On Audition. Okay. Take a little Morphe M507 brush. I'm going to use some bronzer. And I'm going to go like this under my eye. It just gives you some definition. Put a little bit up here. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend that out. Alright, for blush, I'm going to use the Sephora one. They're 14 bucks. They're really inexpensive. This is in the shade Heated. Take a Jeffree blush brush. I'm not sure what number this is. Just blush it up. I'm going to take the Lancôme Mascara for my bottom lash. I haven't did this to my hair in so long. I always wanted to get a perm, but... Hey.
How long till you're here?
Like 10 minutes. That was my boyfriend. He's like, where are you? I'm like, I'll be like 10 minutes. An hour later. Does anyone else do that? Alright guys, that is the final look. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm gonna go ride some jet skis and have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel. Join me so you never miss a new video. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.